Hello students of class 8, this is Shahbaz sir here. Welcome to your online class of science. Students, in the previous class we started chapter 10 soil. Students, now we are going to study a little bit slowly, okay, so that you all understand things quite properly, okay. So students, first of all, in chapter soil, what we all started, that soil is one of the most important natural resources. Okay, soil is formed by natural processes. Okay, and what is soil? It's a mixture of rocks. It's a mixture of rocks and dead plants and animals. Okay, then layers of soil. What do you mean by layers of soil? Soils are made up of different kind of rock particles and remains of dead plants, so they form different layers of soil, and this layer is called, or this layer of soil is also called horizon. How many layers are there? First is a horizon or top soil. Soil की जो सबसे ऊपर की layer होती है, where you see plants growing, that is top soil. Okay, features क्या है इस top soil के? This top soil is rich in humus. Humus क्या होता है? इट्स ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, जो नेचुरल सॉइल में चीज़ें होती हैं, प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स डिकम्पोज होकर जो सॉइल के अंदर जाते हैं, दैट फॉर्म्स ह्यूमस. सो द टॉप सॉइल इज रिच इन ह्यूमस. इट इज़ रिच इन मिनरल्स विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड बाय द प्लांट्स टू ग्रो. इट इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड इट इज़ डार्कर दैन द अदर लेयर्स. देन सेकेंड लेयर बिलो द टॉप सॉइल इज बी होराइजन और सब सॉइल. What are the features of this layer? It is having comparatively less humus than top soil. Again, it is rich in minerals like the top soil, and it is generally more harder than top soil because it is below the ground. Then sea horizon. Sea horizon क्या होता है? This is a layer which is present below the B. सबसे पहले top soil, फिर B horizon, फिर C horizon. C horizon, this horizon, it's made up of small lumps of rocks, okay, which have cracks in them. And then last layer is called bedrock, जहाँ पे पूरे rocks की एक bed है, above which all the layers of soils are present. Okay, so this is bedrock. Okay, now students, components of soil. What are components of soil? There were different components of soil that I taught you. First was clay soil, clay, silt, sand, gravel, humus, living organism, air, water. All these things form soil. Clay, सबसे smallest rock के particles को clay कहा जाता है. उनसे बड़े जो particles a little bigger in size, it's called silt. More bigger, more heavier is called sand, and the largest soil particle is called gravel. Okay, humus, I already explained you. What do you mean by humus? It is the organic matter which is present in soil. Okay, then living organism means microorganism that lives in the soil, and air, oxygen, air is present in the soil. Okay, students, then we studied about weathering of rocks. Weathering कैसे, how the soil is formed? It is formed in huge rock particles. They, under the effect of sun, light, rainfall, moisture, chemicals, fall on the ground. They get crushed by animals, plants treading on them, and it forms soil. The process is called weathering. Okay, then types of soil. There were different types of soil like sandy soil, clay soil. Then we studied about loamy soil. Which soil is best for crop growth? That is loamy soil. Why loamy soil? Because loamy soil has sufficient water holding capacity. It is rich in humus. It can be plowed easily, and it has necessary nutrients inside it. Whereas sandy and clay soil, they are comparatively rich in humus and minerals. Okay, students. Now, uses of soil. What is uses of soil? This is a relatively easy topic. First and foremost property of soil is enables the plants to grow. Plant, अगर soil ही नहीं होगी, where will the plants grow? Okay, so it enables the plants to grow. Soil is also a habitat for microorganisms. Soil is also a habitat for microorganisms like earthworms, bacteria, fungi. They all live in soil. Soil is essential for the forest of the world also. If there is no soil, then so forests, animals will face soil erosion. Soil is necessary for production of crops. Soil is helpful in making pottery. You must have seen utensils made of soil. Nowadays it is not very common, but it is. Okay, then the microorganisms which live in the soil, they help in recycling of nutrients. So what are the properties of soil that we studied? It enables the plants to grow. It helps in production of crops. Then third is it is a habitat for different microorganisms like bacteria, fungus. Then fourth, the microorganisms which live inside the soil, they help in recycling of the nutrients. Then it is essential for the forest of the world. So these are some properties of soil. Okay, students? Okay. Okay, now one topic that remains is absorption of water by soil. See students, soil absorbs the water which is present inside the earth's surface. Earth की surface के अंदर whatever water is there, that is absorbed by soil. Since different soils have different water holding capacity, हर soil की water holding and water absorbing capacity अलग अलग होती है. So they absorb the water similarly. Okay, in soil there are pores. There are small pores present in the soil, which these pores, they help the animal living in the soil to breathe. जो soil में animals रहते हैं वो कैसे breathe करते हैं? How do they breathe? They breathe with the help of those pores, and they also allow the water to flow down. Absorb तो कर रहे हो, जो रेन वाटर गिर रहा है, वट एवर रेन वाटर इज फॉलिंग ऑन द सॉइल, हाउ इट गोज इनसाइड द earth, it goes inside there through help of these pores. Okay, the students, now I'll be giving you one assignment. Kindly do it, and the remaining of the chapter will be done in subsequent classes. Okay, thank you so much.